Hi guys, my name is Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this Lydia Martin inspired makeup from Teen Wolf. Absolutely love Teen Wolf and I've actually been rewatching it again lately and I absolutely love Lydia and I was like, I have to do a Lydia Martin inspired makeup look, so that is what I'm doing today. If you just love Lydia in general and want to have makeup that looks like hers, or if you're doing this for a cosplay, I feel like this works really well. This wig, by the way, in case you are wondering, this is the wig that I used for my Cheryl Blossom cosplay. I just braided it up and left these little front bits out, like how Lydia has her hair at one point in the like milkmaid braids, I think they're called. But if you are interested in getting this wig, I will put a link to it down below, as well as a discount code that you can use to get it. So if you'd like to see how I got this Lydia Martin Teen Wolf inspired makeup, then just keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm taking the colour Cortney from my JEFFREE Star Beauty palette and I'm putting that in my crease and also on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking a warm chocolate brown colour. This is actually a colour from a bronzing contour kit that's actually a bit too dark for me, but I feel like it's the perfect colour for this. So I'm just putting that in the crease as well and also really focusing it on the outer third of my eye. Now I'm taking a like dark kind of golden bronze sort of colour and putting that on my eyelid and then just blending it into the brown in our crease. Also brushing some of that bronze colour on our lower lash line. Also on a small flat brush I'm getting the colour Vanity from my Beauty Killer palette yet again and just putting that on my lower lash line just to kind of do like a defined line. I didn't want to use an eyeliner though because I feel like it'd be too like heavy of a line. And again with Vanity I'm putting that on the outer third of my eye and slightly into my crease, and then I'm just going to be blending that line. I'm taking my kind of liquid felt liner pen now and doing a very thin line on my upper lash line. I'm not going to be winging it out or anything, I'm just kind of just doing a very thin light line. Now taking some mascara, I'm just going to be putting that on my upper lashes only, just for now. And now I'm going to be putting on some fake lashes. These are the Socialized lashes in the style Lush. Like I always say, you don't have to wear fake lashes. I choose to because I don't particularly like my natural eyelashes. I don't think they're very thick or full. They're quite thin and barely existent at all. So I like to wear lashes. You of course do not have to. Now on another thin little flat brush, I'm getting my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and Milk, and I'm just going to be putting that on my waterline just to open my eyes and make it look a bit brighter. Now going back in with my mascara and doing my lower lashes. For my lips, I'm now getting the NYX lip liner, and this is in the colour Neutral, and I'm going to be filling in and slightly overlining my top lip to kind of match how Holland's lips is, because she does have very full lips. I feel like for Lydia's lips you can either keep it very neutral or you can make it slightly redder, so I'm getting a flat small little lip brush and putting on a little bit of red lipstick just to blend it in with the lip liner. And now lastly for this look, I'm not really contouring or anything, I'm just getting a blush, and this is the NYX blush in Crimson, and you literally need the tiniest amount of this because it's so pigmented. And I'm just putting that on my cheeks. And this is it for my Teen Wolf Lydia Martin inspired makeup look. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Like I did say, this wig is from Fresh Van Hair & Beauty. I will have it linked down below as for you as well if you'd like to check it out. And if you do, you can use the code Megan Louise to get a discount on your order. That goes for wigs, hair extensions, anything on their website. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this look. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Feel free to leave any comments, requests, questions down in the comments section below, and let me know if you'd like to see any more Teen Wolf inspired makeup. If you'd like to follow or contact me on any social media, links to do so are always down in the description. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.